Alright, what is up everybody? So I'm going to try something a little different. The biggest purpose of my channel is to show you along my journey of learning. And so I've never done this before. And instead of my channel being all just project videos, I wanted it to be a little bit more of my life. Me, what I do when I go out to the shop. And so I'm here in the mud room of my house, and I'm going to show you what it looks like whenever I go to the shop to have some time. So this is completely unrehearsed. This is completely raw, and it's just me. All right, here we go. All right, here we go down to the shop. Alright, what is up? I'm going to show you a little bit about what a night at the shop is like for me. So I decided to do these little videos once a month, and they're just going to be kind of like a recap on what's going on around my shop, kind of like a vlog, let you know what's going on with me and my life, and I guess things around my shop. So this is why, because my channel is all about my journey of learning, and it's hard through doing a project video a month to keep you up to date on what I'm actually learning. So I've decided to do some of these like once a month little videos that I guess more are about me and my life rather than an actual project. And so that way hopefully it enhances a little bit what I'm trying to do as a channel goal. And hopefully my goal is for this, if it picks up some traction, that it will become a live stream. Maybe I can set up a couple different camera shots and stream my time at the shop. So that's what the whole goal of this video is. Today I just wanted to show you my shop a little bit, some of the projects that I'm up to, and a couple ideas I had moving forward. So right now I'm working on this live edge cookie. I'm gonna make a coffee table with it. So I've been flattening it out. This is one side. And this is the side I've been flattening out with my router jig, which I made, and I will be doing a video about very soon. I actually shot the intro to my video for it a little bit ago. And so I'm kind of smoothing out some of these ridges with a hand plane, and then I will probably pretty soon go after this with a sander. This is pretty much there. We're getting there. Not quite. A little bit more to do. But that's this, and I want to make a couple of these. I want to make a couple of these, I think, for our house. Another thing I'm doing is these guys. You may have seen some pictures of this on Instagram, but I basically have cut these little slats of walnut, and I've installed magnets into them. This will also be a project video, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a picture inside of each of these, if you can imagine that, and then hang it on a wall. So there will be one of these hanging with a picture, and there'll be one at the bottom, something that my wife saw and wanted me to make, so I'm in the middle of those. So that's the couple projects I have. Also, I have another project which I actually already installed in my house, and it is a hanging herb garden. And so I made that for my wife for Valentine's Day, and then I realized that they don't sell herbs. How do you say that? Herbs or herbs? Anyways, they don't sell those in the winter. So I've got to wait until they're available to purchase, and then I will finish up that, and then that will also be a project video. So right now I've got 4 videos that are hanging in the balance that will hopefully be coming out in the next month and a half or 2 months. I'd planned to have these out sooner, but it's just not working. So I feel like every video is waiting on something. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing as far as projects go.
It's pretty cool with just one pass of this thing. You can see where all the high spots are. This all here is good, but all of it that I took off was right here, which is pretty cool.
This thing makes a massive mess. Check this out.
Oh yeah. Sawdust for days.
I've got sawdust in my hoodie pocket. I've got it on my hat, in my hair, all over the place. This is pretty messy. Well, shop time for the night is coming to an end, so I'm gonna clean up a little bit and then we'll head back up to the house for the evening. Alright, we're done in the shop for this evening. So, I just got done cleaning up, so the shop looks kind of clean. And now we're going to head back up, see what's going on with the fam. Kids should be in bed by now. Alright, unplug this light, and then grab the tripod, and let's roll. Alright, let's go. Well, it's always a sad thing when you gotta leave the shop for the night, but hey, there's always next time, right? Alright. Back inside. Well, hey, thanks so much for watching this video. I'm trying to be quiet because the kids are in bed. If it's your first time checking out my channel, I encourage you go and check out some of my project videos. This is a lot different than what it's normally like on my channel, but again, I'm going to try to do this every once in a while just to show you what's going on with me. But hope you enjoyed this. Leave me some feedback down in the comments whether you did or whether you didn't, and also consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'm out of breath. What's that mean? But if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. It would really help me out. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Made by Mitch. You guys have a great week, great day, and I will see you next time. Peace.